let us discuss about sum versus subtotal in terms of usage, features and advantages. Unlike sum, which is used just to sum or total up one or more data ranges, the subtotal function encompasses several functions within that you can leverage in your calculations. Use this channel to upskill your expertise in Microsoft Excel, Word or PowerPoint. Do subscribe if not done already. While you use sum function in cases wherein you just need the total for a data range, you may use subtotal when you want to arrive at some intermediate totals or subtotal besides the overall total or grand total. Of course, you can get the intermediate totals or subtotals using the sum function, but you need to manually arrive at that, unlike subtotal function wherein this is automatic. Here, in this example, we have country-wise sale of different products. If you just need to arrive at the total number of units sold, you can just use the sum function. However, if you need to arrive at the intermediate totals or subtotals like country-wise or product-wise total sales, then you can use subtotal function. Using sum function, you can just total the data. It performs a single calculation. However, with the subtotal, you can use that for several functions like count, average, minimum, maximum, etc. besides the sum, of course. In fact, there are 11 such functions that you can leverage when using subtotal. While using the subtotal, it is possible to view or hide the details at the group level. And you can use nested subtotals to represent more than one group of your data. In the case of sum function, there is normally only one function argument, that is the range of cells that you want to sum. However, in subtotal function, it has a minimum of two arguments, the function number and the range to be totaled. You will use the function argument to perform the desired calculation like average, count, etc. besides sum, and also to include or exclude the manually hidden rows. While the sum function is to total the data either vertically in columns or horizontally in rows or both, the subtotal function is designed primarily for performing the related calculations in columns of data or vertical data ranges. This does not mean that you cannot use subtotal to sum a row of data, for example. You can still use that. However, it behaves differently between vertical and horizontal data ranges when you use a function number that is greater than 101. Look at the example here. In the first data block, we have used the sum function. So, irrespective of hiding a column or hiding a row does not change the total because the function is designed to include all the manually hidden rows or columns. However, that is not the case with subtotal function. It behaves differently with the different function numbers in the subtotal argument. Look at the data block 2. Here we have used the subtotal function with 9 as the function number, which will behave exactly like the sum function that we saw previously. That is, it will include all the values even if you hide certain columns or certain rows. Now, look at the data block 3. Here in the subtotal function, we have used 109 as the function number, which is supposed to exclude the hidden data. So, when you hide certain rows, it works correctly by ignoring those rows and arrive at the new subtotal. However, if you hide a column here, say column S, then it behaves differently. That is, it does not ignore the hidden column S and keeps the subtotal without any change, which is not the correct outcome. That is why we do not recommend using subtotal to perform row-wise calculations. Unlike sum function, which sums all the rows in a given data range, even when using a filter, the subtotal function takes into account only the visible rows that are filtered out irrespective of function number that you use. Even with a function number 9, for example, which is designed to include all the rows including the hidden or non-displayed ones in a data range, it adds up only the visible rows in a filtered data. This is all about sum versus subtotal function.